Hey, all right, what's up, everybody? So I want to give you a very quick rundown as far as how to use this. What you see in front of you, this is called Padlet. It's all the way in the top left corner. Um, it's very easy to use. I'll be honest, I haven't used this with students in class before, but I had saw somebody suggested to use it for virtual learning, and I thought it made a lot of sense. One example I will give you is at some point, I'm pretty sure we all used the touch wall in the library, or if you have experience using it, this works basically the same way. All right. So I'm going to show you a couple of the quick things you need to be able to do. So at the bottom right, there's a plus sign that is being hidden by me. So let me get myself out of the way. If you click this plus sign, then that creates this, little post-it looking object for you to use. So if you need to do something like text, you could just insert, for a title, maybe you're going to put your name, and then underneath here is where you can type your response. And then once you're done, you just click off of it and it gets posted to the board. For some of these, I have it set up that I can, or that I will double check what you're saying first so that you're not putting anything inappropriate up there. But you can, if you want, once you're posted, you can go back and you can change the color of it, however you would like. And then if you need to, again, you can come back and click edit. And so that way, if you need to, change, here's where you type your response. I want to change that to explanation. And then once again, I click off and it's good to go. Now, you may also need to add a picture. So another way you can add things in addition to hitting the plus sign is just anywhere on the board, just double click and the same little post-it comes up. So let's say I want to post an image that I've asked you guys to do something. So let's just say map of Asia. All right. So here's a map, click it. Oops, sorry, just double click it. And it adds it right here on the board. Okay. And then if it's something that you want to look at, somebody else posted, or when I need to see it, I can just click on it and it will expand. I'm going to double click again. Another option I have is for a link. I don't know that we're going to use this necessarily, but this would be for, to a website or to a Google Doc or something. So I think that would be good if we end up doing something more collaborative where you need to share. But we'll leave that off for now. If there's something from your computer you need to upload, like an image or something, you can use that. And then in the three buttons, again, there's a few other additional features, but for the most part, you guys are going to use this to upload an image, perhaps even a video. Or you will use the upload feature to pick a file if you had downloaded an image, or you're going to just type. And I guess one other fun option that you might have is to draw something. You can make it a white or black background, pick the color, and then mine is touchscreen, so I'm just going to use my finger here to draw a little happy face. Let's give him some hair. Okay, good. Save. And this will now get posted to the wall momentarily. And there we go. Now, also with the images, I should point out that if you click the dots on the right for the menu, and if I hit edit, now I can title this Map of Asia. Or if I need to comment about the picture, here is info about Asia. I can do that, and now you see that it added the text box, right? So it's very simple to use. The first activity that you all will see with me is going to be on this one. And you can see I've already got this preset into 5 different columns. You'll be assigned, based on who's present, one of these columns. I was practicing that before, and get rid of that one. And so your group, now let's say you get put into the London Blitz group, And, you know, based on whatever I ask you to do, how do you put something in that column? You just click the plus sign and your same post-it note options come up here. So post here, and then you click off, and there it is. If you have to add something else, post, and again. And as you can see, it'll eventually scroll down the column. So this will be good because now it's a way that everybody can see what each group is doing. The only other thing that I'm going to show you here real quick is for sharing. There'll be two ways that this will happen. Either I will copy the link and post it in Google Classroom, or I'll project the QR code if you wanted to use this on your phone, perhaps if you download the app, or you can use it through a browser on your phone as well. So again, pretty easy to use, very straightforward, and that's it. So I will see you guys on the Padlet in class.